Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. We're looking at my seeds that have been germinating about the last week to 10 days. They're starting to sprout rather nicely, all except for this poblano, which doesn't have any yet. And I'm kind of surprised because this is usually a pretty good seed. So nothing on poblanos. Tunisian Bachluft, a couple sprouted in there. Yeah, so these are looking good. Lipstick pepper, look at that. Look at all those leaves in there. These are just ready to go. What is a lipstick pepper? I have no idea. We're going to find out. Well, they're already getting their first leaves in there, so those are definitely ready to go. Last one, the jalapeno. Same situation. Look at the leaves in there, even a little bit of mold, so we need to get these into some soil. Alright, let's go do that. We'll take outside everything but the poblano. We'll leave it right here. Beautiful day out here today, about 75 degrees. I started doing a little prep work today. Came out a little earlier. I dug out my seed starters, the tray. This is a 72 cell tray, and this container here that we'll sit it in so it doesn't leak everywhere, because I don't think the bottom tray is watertight anymore. So what we'll do is we'll get some soil and start transplanting some of these. It is pretty windy out. Alright, this is the soil we're using for now. Nature's Care. It is a Miracle Grow brand. Must have been on special. So this is not the best for starting seedlings. This is not very fine at all. Lots of twigs and stuff like that. So what I do is I just try to pull out any big clumps that I can. Break it down as I get them in the cells. Alright, take a seat here, guys, and then ladies. Okay. Let's bring it on over and see what we have going on here. So we've got jalapeno. We'll do jalapeno in the first two rows. Firm up the soil a little bit. Don't pack it down too much. You want to leave some aeration in there. Roots have to be able to breathe. Oh boy. If I had a garage, it was not trash going there. Alright, so what do we got here, guys? Very carefully, let's pull this open so we don't want to damage anything. So look at that. Starting to get some mold, which isn't good. What I did was, I usually try to space these out a little better than this so we don't have this problem. Those are really packed tight together. Makes it pretty difficult. So what I do is I just come in and I'll try to rip around roots like that, and then pull it. So there's one. So now we'll pick a cell, and I didn't bring anything to make a hole. That's good. Put the taproot down first. Seed should be facing up. That's what that is just a taproot. Don't ever break it. It's like breaking off its legs. Do another nice hole. Pick another one. There's one. There we go. Just tap it down lightly. Do another one. I actually like using that little spade, or whatever that is. Kind of makes a nice hole down there. Well, we're definitely going to have plenty of these. Which one did I just do? This one? I'll have to review my video. See, that's why I do these videos, is just for a vlog of what I do year to year. That one was kind of sloppy. We'll see if it makes it. Alrighty, so that's jalapenos. So look what's left. So it's kind of working at them. Not bad. There's only about 5 left. So that's cool. Next one. Let's do these Tunisians. Tunisian Baklauti. If anybody knows how to pronounce that, let me know in the comments. This one, I only think there's a couple in here. Yeah, this could almost go another day or two. Let's hold off on this one. Oh, now I'm not going to get it back in the bag, am I? Oh. Let's put this back in the bag for another couple days. Oh geez, some seeds just fell out. Not good. Well, we're going to plant some here. I should have waited on this one. A little bit too soon, I think. Alright, row 3. Tunisian Baklauti. 1 seed there. That one did have a taproot. Got a seed here, no taproot. I'm just going to put it in there too. Tunisian Baklauti. There you go. Alright. So is it worth? Yeah, it's really windy out here. Let's try to get a couple more in here. I've got a couple more we can pop in there. Surprisingly, that one was okay. You almost don't want to go too deep. I think pepper seeds are only supposed to go to 1/4 inch. So you can really go too deep too quick. Just let that taproot take over. Just make sure you don't have any mulch in there. Like that. See, that's why they really have seed starter mix. I have a couple more here that are popped. Barely have a taproot. I'm just going to put them in here. They should be alright. Look at that. Yeah, there's a couple more that popped. We'll just put them in. See if we can get them going. Make sure we get out all the dang mulch. One more. One more and we'll put these back in and give them a little dose of some more water. Where are we going? Right here, huh? There we go. Alright, so this is what we have left of these. Maybe 8 to 10 left. So we'll put these back in the bag, seal it back up, and get a little more squirt of water. See what we can do with that one. What's left? Oh, the lipstick peppers. Yeah, there's a lot of these. Alright. So, lipstick peppers. I guess we'll just do lipstick pepper right here. See, a root's never going to go around that. Not in that little space. Alright. Now the wind is blowing the other direction. Yeah, we're supposed to get high wind warnings tomorrow. Alright, so here we go, the big reveal. Well, I guess you can see which ones I'm going to target. Look at this guy right there. Oh, I actually pulled the seedling off. So where does his taproot go? His taproot goes way over here. So what I'm doing is, like I said, you just want to go around it. I'm going to put him in the middle. There we go. Keep an eye on that little one. Alright, next. Got lots to pick from here. This one's kind of busting to get out too. Look at that. Oh, these look like bean sprouts. Oh, geez, don't fly away. Come on. Yep. There we go. So now what I do is bottom water. Yep. So we'll fill up this container and we'll be good to go. That's what's left. 2 of them basically. Yep, and the third one. So nothing left. I'm pretty pleased. Yeah, those tenacians we're going to try again. lipstick pepper. Hopefully we're still recording, so I know what's what. So what did we do first? We did jalapenos, 2 rows of jalapenos, 1 row of Tunisians, and 2 rows of the lipstick. And that's where we're at. Alright. Let's go do some bottom watering. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put this in my container. Just like that. And we'll bottom water them. So everything gets sucked up from the bottom and I'm not damaging the pat down that I did. Be interesting to see what these look like tomorrow. Alright. A little bit more in there, fill it up. Whatever's left I'll pour out tomorrow. Don't need anything getting flooded. There we go. See that water sitting there pretty good. Alright. Well, we'll check back tomorrow. See what they look like. I'll do another video. Well, if you're still sticking around, thanks for stopping by. More videos to come. 2021 gardening, here we come.